Which bird has the longest migration of any species? A. Arctic tern. What is the smallest bird in the world? C. Hummingbird. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A. Parrot. Which bird lays the largest eggs relative to its body size? B. Kiwi. Which bird has the longest wingspan? D. Wandering albatross. Which bird has the fastest dive speed? D. Peregrine falcon. Which bird is flightless and the largest living species of bird? B. Ostrich. Which bird is known for its ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field? A. Homing pigeon. Which bird is famous for its elaborate courtship dances? B. Bird of paradise. Which bird species is known to use tools to obtain food? Crow. Which fish is known to be the largest bony fish in the world? E. Ocean sunfish, mola mola. Which fish has the ability to produce electricity? A. Electric eel. Which marine animal is known for its ability to regenerate limbs? A. Sea star. Which type of shark is considered the most dangerous to humans? C. Great white shark. Which marine mammal is the largest? D. Blue whale. Which type of fish can inflate its body to avoid predators? B. Pufferfish. Which sea creature is known for having 3 hearts? B. Octopus. Which fish is known for being able to walk on land? C. Mudskipper. Which marine creature is known for its symbiotic relationship with sea anemones? A. Clownfish. Which species of marine life can change its gender during its life cycle? D. Clownfish. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? B. Nitrogen. What is the chemical formula for table salt? B. Nickel. Which element has the highest electronegativity? B. Fluorine. What is the pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius? D7. Which type of bond involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms? B. Covalent bond. Which process is used to separate components of a mixture based on their boiling points? C. Distillation. What is the main component of natural gas? C. Methane. Which acid is commonly found in car batteries? B. Sulfuric acid. Which of the following elements has the highest first ionization energy? Neon. Ne. Which of the following compounds exhibits resonance? C. Benzene. C66.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.